Good morning from the beautiful northern Thailand. What do you think, guys? Bit of a view to wake up to, isn't it?
Good morning, Vietnam.
Well, we're not quite in Vietnam, but we are close. Closer to Laos than we are Vietnam. Fucking it's bright out here. We've got a lovely breakfast provided. Not too confident on what the hell they think's going on with that, but...
Shall I do a taste test?
Should we do a little taste test?
Yeah.
Okay. So they give us some little biscuits, egg toast, salad with jizz on it, and some sausages.
You eat the sausages.
I'll try
The salad.
I'll try a sausage.
Of course you will.
Okay.
Oh.
It's like a cold
Oh.
chicken sausage, I think.
Well, let's not be mean.
Not being mean.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this cold egg.
This is like a soup with rice in it and mushrooms.
Why is it even freezing? It's like been stored in the fridge. Oh, you're gonna go for it.
Mmm.
Oh, cold.
It's cold, but it's quite nice.
Oh. I can't.
Can't do it. I imagine we did tell him no meat, and so I imagine they've given us a little bit of chicken.
Oh, is that chicken?
I think so. Because that seems to be the equivalent of no meat. It's a bloody Kung Fu Panda. And a bridge, like a Chinese bridge. Fresh tarmac. Well, we're here at Sticky Waterfall, and we've got our first monkey. Sat in cars. You got a hold of everything, yeah?
He's looking at my bag.
You little bastard, what are you gonna do? Huh? It's a joke.
You're a cute one.
You're quite cute, aren't you? You're definitely thinking about doing something.
What?
What?
He's going like this, he's going.
What? What? Oh, do you want a kiss to you?
Me and you, we're not just going like that. Friend.
We're not really. We've got the same feet. Oh, I wish I was recording for that. Fucking hell. That was mad. Jumped over the top of us.
You're trying to prove a point, aren't you? This is your forest. Yeah, it is. Kitty patootie. Hey, kitty patootie.
Happening, bro. This is the closest I've ever been to a fucking monkey, that's for sure. This monkey's literally chasing Vic. She can't get a peaceful moment. You like her, don't you? Fuck's sakes. I don't think he's going to go for the stuff. I think he's just going for you. Yeah, can I have a wipe? Because my face is filthy. We're just grabbing a quick coffee before we head in there. Actually, I want to move because the lighting's shit here. Right, so the Sticky Waterfall seems to be quite a popular attraction. There's fucking just loads and loads and loads of tourists here. I've had a bit of an idea. Right, we seem to be going everywhere in Thailand, and you know, everyone's done it all before, haven't they? So, what about Laos? Have you heard of Laos? It's a country just north of Thailand. We're pretty much right next to it right now, and it seems like a pretty wild country, so I'm thinking we'll go check that one out. What do you think? So apparently you can just like walk up it.
I think you should go to level 1 then.
The fuck?
Yeah, let's not break.
So there's like multiple stages that you can start at, but I think it's definitely best to start at the bottom though. And do the whole fucking thing. I think so. So I think we're about to find out what's so sticky about this sticky waterfall. Okay, let's get to it. Oh, you can't. I wonder what ways we can go up. So, down there, or up there, I think up there, no. I think that's just like a hangout spot. Fuck climbing up that. Let's do it. Oh, it's like grippy. Like, even though it's not sticky like most of the waterfalls are, they have like that layer of green on them. Okay, this might be one of the slickest places we've ever been. Whoa, that bit's slicky. Man, this is wicked. Whoa, that's a slippy bit. So it's not all sticky, some of it's slippy. You want a picture? Oh shit.
Weiter unten besser. Aber das genauso.
Alright, let's try it. Gets busy up here. I'm gonna go back and find Vic. Can definitely climb up there. Don't think it goes much further that way. This is awesome. Just got out there as well. Go on, Vic. Go on. It's literally like you can literally run on it. It's that grippy. Go on, man. Up here. Go on. Why it's not slippy though, it's literally grippy underneath. Some bits are slippy. This is where the real fun begins. Whoa! I want to go straight up that bit. That bit there. I think that looks the hardest. That bit's all slippy. Okay. I'm gonna put you in my yeah, there you go. We're not meant to be on this bit, but I want to go here. Yes! Oh, every time I wipe you, there's just more on there every time. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to avoid that. Oh well. It's action content, isn't it? It's not quite All like, you know, proper, real, raw. It's so weird not slipping over. When you told me about the sticky waterfalls, I thought it was going to be like actually sticky, like gunky, you know, like there's some kind of natural, I don't know, maybe some like trees, like tree sap. That's what I imagine it to be, like a waterfall that's been like covered in tree sap. Whoa, something down there. But I believe it's just like a calcium deposit. I imagine it's calcium. That's caused all this. Like this is all, like all of the trees that are on the waterfall have like rock all around them. Obviously the tree grew first, you know, and then the water's gone around the tree and deposited whatever makes up this floor. Oh, there's another bit. Yes. This bit here is not the sticky waterfall. Literally like slipping and sliding everywhere. I think for this one again, I'm gonna stick you in the shorts, and you can just ride along here. Man, it is so much fun. I can't describe to you. Like, whenever you see a waterfall, yeah, or like in the UK, like we had gorges. You know, they're so fucking dangerous. But man, this is so easy. Like, look, I'm literally on my tippy toes, and I'm not sliding anywhere. Oh, what life. Okay, next bit. Take the rope. You want that? No? Huh? No, you don't need it. You're right. Come on. It doesn't say don't go down here. Like the route leads off up there, but there's a couple. Fuck it, I'm going down here. Oh yeah, there is a rope here. So at least I know I'm meant to be here. Oh, it's another. Oh, see, where does that one start? I think it must split off halfway down. And so we started at the very bottom. This is like on the way to the bottom. That looks like a bit more of a fun way up, to be honest. No, it's all fun. It's a bit more challenging, I mean. Yo. This route's proper busy. I guess everyone gets stuck here, don't they? It's the last bit. Come down here a bit. Cool. There's a rope on the right if you need it. I'll give it to them. Yeah. Everyone's going pretty cautiously up this bit. It definitely is the most dangerous bit. I just went up that side bit there, and there's no way you're meant to do that. No way. If you'd have put any foot wrong going up there, you would have fallen. Seriously. Because up here it's slippy, right? But luckily there's like jagged rocks and like handholds, so I could pull myself up. So far I've done all this without a rope though, so I think I'm a bit. So I kind of want to do the rest without a rope, if possible. I might try to go up that bit. Yeah. Fuck it. Follow the path of most resistance, right? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Like any of this here, you can't like walk up any of that. I had to stick to the outside. I'm gonna grab hold of this rope now. It's not easy. Oh shit. Hey. That's a hard bit, isn't it? You want to take anything else? You got it. You got it. Okay.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Okay, it's alright. You don't need a hand, do you, Vic? Okay? That's that was crazy. Well, that was a sticky waterfall. I imagine quite a lot of people get hurt doing that because I literally had to save 2 people. It's mental. It's like the sticky waterfall right until the last bit, and then it's the slippy waterfall. I feel a bit bad because you probably had the worst view because of the water droplets, but man. In the fucking jungle. Hey mate, look. That's hard, bloody hell, my brain is just the worst brain in the world. So like my random access memory is just non-existent. So it doesn't keep anything there. It's like I know the word, right? But when I ask for it, it doesn't give it to me. Excuse me. Oh no, look, it's a little fish. Little fishes in there, Vic. It might look unsuspecting, but this is what feeds that whole waterfall, pretty much. It's crazy, isn't it? It's only a little thing. And there's little fishies in there. Well, you might be able to see them. They're basically the same colour as the ground. Oh. I've suffered my first bite. Look at that bitch. Fucking nasty thing. And yeah, now I like can't walk in my sliders because of it. It's like more, like the walking on these rocks is way less painful than walking in the sliders. Right, we're gonna go over there and get some food maybe, hopefully. See what they got anyway. And then we're off to a botanical garden. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck.
What's that?
Oh, it's a bit of crab or something, I think.
Right.
Okay.
Why?
Why though?
It
didn't say it was a cucumber salad. Anyway, this is a Laos. What is it? Laos salad.
Papaya
Laos papaya salad.
salad.
And then this is a cucumber salad. However, not only is it a cucumber salad, it's got.
Oh, why would you do that? You can't even eat that. What you? Is it still alive?
I don't know. Poor little fella.
That's literally just like offend me. Surely they heard that I'm like vegetarian and just put.
I'm not gonna eat crab. Christ's sakes. Right. Oh.
Well, it's bloody spicy.
Too spicy? Oh. We should have asked for pet nit noi.
Should have, because that's so nice. But
Let's try a bit. This is a bit of bit of the Laos salad. Banging. Bit of my spicy cucumber salad. Banging. Not that spicy. What's with this though? Seriously, what on that am I meant to eat? That doesn't make any sense. Next up, the Angel Garden or something like that. Proper touristy once again. But look at this. A bit of mist and shit. Oh, she's dead. I think, what is it? Oh, a bit of dehydrated mango. I love a bit of dehydrated mango, I do. Okay, it's certainly beautiful. Look at that. Flowers. Shall we? Oh yeah, everyone's coming from that. Yeah. Yeah. With a dyed blue pool. Can you believe it? I've never seen actual dyed water before, but now I have. So, is there an angel thing? Is there angels here? Were angels here? As a restaurant? It's quite pretty though. Oh, look at these fellas. They're cute. Everything's mystical, or is it just misty? Something tells me that's not a natural waterfall. Ooh. Okay. You alright, dude? Oh, someone's left a bark for him. That's nice. What's through there? Oh wow. Super drippy. It's like you're getting hella wet. Feels a bit like when you walk through like the dinosaur section of the theme park. Is that water? So weird. It's like a pool of water, but there's like steam coming up here. Wow. Thought vapes were illegal in this country.
that's what I do when you're smoking or something. gonna
ruin the photo. There's a lot of that. Just getting out of the way of people so their photo isn't ruined. But they don't do it for you. So. That's grammable, isn't it?
Oh, I really want a picture.
I'll take a photo of you.
Like this.
You're on an adventure, Victoria. I look like this. Like, just dusty crepes on, fuck's sake. Edit. Victoria's got a new app. Oh, I shouldn't say that. She's got a new app. Helps manipulate photographs. And it is bloody good at removing people from the background, you know, unwanted characters in the scene. A lot of like solo female travellers I'm seeing, they're walking around with like a tripod, stick their camera on, so they ain't got to ask people to take photos of them. Mad. Soon, vlogs are going to be less, hey, what to do as a tourist in Thailand, and more, I don't know if I'm going to survive driving through this random road in this random country, doing in this, in a random vehicle. Hello. Might be time for a haircut soon, you know. What do you think? Oh, there she is. Are you waiting for the toilet? No? I want to go up there. Yeah. Let's do that. Look at these guys. You're lovely, aren't you? I'm not going to break you because you're so beautiful.
They're similar to the ones in
They are, but much more vibrant colour. Like, much more. It's quite nice. Once you get past all of the Instagrammers, and influencers, it's quite peaceful. Yeah. Okay, this place just got pretty cute. Look at these baby goats. Oh, they're so chill. Why are they so chill? They're so relaxed and calm there. Oh, it's so sweet.
Okay, we are leaving.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, Vic, don't cry, because I might.
Okay, come, let's go.
Oh, you're so
Vai, segura, bebezinho.
This is a proper Thailand tourist experience. It's all kind of fake, but also still kind of nice, you know. Huh? Oh, chickens. Yeah. They're just sort of like chucking a baby goat around between people. It's like kind of sad. Like, Victoria's holding it nicely, but then people are like just grabbing it and oh, these birds. Golden Maya, why are you in a cage though? Fucking yeah. But we're now starting a 2.5 hour drive. This is like the longest leg of the journey we're going to have been on, to the Airbnb in Pai. So I might do some clips on the way, but next actual clip will be us in Pai. So after what can only be described as the most beautiful roads, most fun roads that I've ever drove on on this thing, and it's only a 160, but it's done the job. Honestly, all of the roads are just like, they're just huge, empty, and smooth. It's amazing. And then look, we're in the middle of buttfuck nowhere. And then this is here, look, Chiang Mai 82 k's, Bangkok 778 k's. It's mental, isn't it? Anyway, we've come to the witch's house. We're gonna have a coffee. Look at all of these stickers. Different groups, people. It's like a lot of biking groups would come and leave a sticker, I imagine. Not DJs. However, upbeat drum and bass. Whoever left that sticker, I want to be your friend. Hey guys.
I feel like she's a witch.
Do you reckon?
I was going to ask her, but I couldn't.
You don't have to ask a witch if she's a witch. She'll just know she's a witch. Gone are the days where you had to dunk them in water. So we've got... Are you going to have a biscuit when I literally got this for you? Right. This is... She's told us what it is, but we have no idea. But it's apparently white chocolate. Is it like a Rice Krispie? They're good.
Oh my god.
Yeah? Do you want, you can, I was joking, you can have a biscuit if you want. Can I try a little bit of that?
Okay.
No, just a little. Excellent. The coffee was also excellent.
I feel like I could be risky in Thailand because everything is so nice. Oh, hello, would you like
Oh!
some?
It's one of those birds from the place, but this one's not in a cage.
Oh.
This is like...
What coffee?
It's like pastry, almost. Look, try that. No. Hey Tom, that's for you, mate. You can have that.
We're your friends. We're not here to hurt you.
Like all the rest of the people in this country. No, not all of them. I'm the one. I've got to drive.
Pastry.
Yeah, I need to be, on point. Come here. Think like, oh, I don't think I want a coffee. First person to have a sip of mine.
But just a sip.
That's your third.
What's yours is mine?
Yeah. Let's have a quick look around. There's a tent down there. How peculiar. But I guess this is what you get when you do travelling. When you take the non-tourist route. By that I mean not staying in a hotel, paying a person to drive you in one of those red vans back and forth from different tourist destinations. This is really touring. Seeing weird stuff like this. Anyway, see you in Pai. Well, after a... Can you see me? Lighting's not great. After a 2.5 hour drive through the mountains, we have absolutely scored on this Airbnb. Have a look at this. It's like a wooden shack thing, yeah, but it's got the fucking comfiest bed. It's in the most beautiful place. There's literal like there's like a fucking cow just outside. It's just so pretty. They're gonna provide breakfast for us as well.
I think the bed
The bed.
is what I've needed.
Yeah, the best bed we've had. It's like an outdoor. I'll show you the shower. It's like, this is like what's the most rustic bit about it. That's like literal. I keep saying literal. Shut up, Toby. It's outdoor, but indoor, you know. So, yeah. Yes, I imagine this is like quite a buggy place, which is why the bed has a bug net. But oh, lovely. Yeah, the motorbike guy was quite nice. He was like, if you take 5 days, come back 6 days, 7, like, you know, I can just come back whenever, really. Just pay him the difference. So I think we might be hanging out in Pi for a while. I've seen there's so many like cool little like bars and restaurants, like nothing like, you know, mainstream at all. It's all like proper, yeah, just proper nice. Oh, bless.
This is the comfiest bed.
Right, okay. So I think maybe we'll go have a little explore, maybe, because it's not too late yet, even though it's dark. And yeah, I'll end this one here. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out.